Using the latest version of Microsoft Office ensures improved productivity through enhanced features, better collaboration, and seamless compatibility with modern systems. It also provides critical security updates that protect against vulnerabilities and cyber threats. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Content Creator Pro, and today we're going to learn how to download, install, and use Microsoft Office 365 latest version 2024, no crack or unitarized method using Microsoft tools. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is creating a folder because all of the tools of the Microsoft Office 365, we should put onto that folder. We're going to create the folder and put the name of it Office 2024, and here we're going to enter our GROOM and Write Office Deployment Tool. Enter. You're going to come on the first website, and here you're going to download it. Once it gets downloaded, I'm going to click it right here and hit Run as administrator. I'm going to click Accept, Continue, and put it onto that specific folder that I choose. I'm going to choose Office 2024, hit OK. File extracts successfully, and now you're going to went back to our GROOM, open a new page, and Write Office Customization Tool. And I'm going to come to the first website. Here, the first thing that we should do is choosing that whether we want it 64-bit or 32-bit. It depends on the RAM processor of our computer. So I'm going to choose 64-bit here. It says Office Status. I'm going to choose the latest version, Office 2024 Plus. I'm going to choose this one. And here we have selection, the version. We're going to choose the latest version. And when it comes to the apps, we should choose the kind of apps that we need. For example, we have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, the apps that we only need. We're going to choose them. For example, I didn't need OneNote. I didn't need Outlook, OneDrive. These are the things that I didn't need. Our publisher, but I need Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and Access. So I'm going to keep on. Here I can choose the language. I'm going to choose United States. And here at this part, we're going to come down and hit Export. Office Open XML format. I'm going to hit OK, Accept, and Export. Here we're going to enter to this area, copy both of them. I'm going to hit Control X and put both of them onto that specific folder. Okay, now what we should do is coming onto the CMD, but we should open the CMD, Run as Administrator. So I'm going to write CMD, and here we have Run as Administrator. Yes, right now we should change the directory. So I'm going to write CD space, and now I need to go to Directory Drive C. Okay, before that we go to Drive C, I just needed to click to Office 2024 folder, hit Control X, and put on a Drive C. I'm going to put it to this area, hit it open, and here we have that location of it. I'm going to track the location of it, and coming back to CMD, I'm going to put it OK. Now we should enter, and we're inside of the Office 2024 folder. Right now we should write a code. The code is setup space / configure configuration.xml, and right now we should enter, and here the installation part gets started. We're going to wait until this process gets done, and it depends on our internet that whether it will. Going to take maybe half an hour or maybe 15 minutes. It depends on our internet and the amount of apps that we choose. And also don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content that every single week I'm creating. Here the installation part has started, and now it's time to check whether what we have done is going to work or not. Okay, we're going to close this area, minimize this one and also this one. I'm going to hit Word, and here we are. We have our Word, and I didn't ask for the activation. And here we can easily check that whether this Office got activated or not. Here, what if I'm just coming to here? I count, and here you see product is activated. And also this is our exhale and ask for product key. So once you do that, restart the computer and let me know how exactly the difference. Please let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Please do like, comments, and share on this video. And subscribe to the channel if you get benefits from this video. Thanks for watching.